Sortez.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Pas de problème.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Les amis sont les bienvenus.
Friends are welcome. Friends are welcome. Friends are welcome.
Georges, vous êtes un génie.
George, you are a genius. George, you are a genius. George, you are a genius.
Je m'en fiche.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Qui est là?
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
Elle est à l'intérieur.
She is inside. She is inside. She is inside.
Voici votre thé.
Here is your tea. Here is your tea. Here is your tea.
Merci encore.
Thanks again. Thanks again. Thanks again.
Vous verrez l'hôtel sur votre gauche.
You will see the hotel on your left. You will see the hotel on your left. You will see the hotel on your left.
Il fut très heureux.
He was very happy. He was very happy. He was very happy.
Il n'y arrive pas.
He can't do it. He can't do it. He can't do it.
Elle est très jeune.
She is very young. She is very young. She is very young.
Faites-le maintenant.
Do it right now. Do it right now. Do it right now.
Comment ça se passe?
How is everything? How is everything? How is everything?
Prenez-le.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Arrête. Ne bougez pas.
Stop. Don't move. Stop. Don't move. Stop. Don't move.
Regarde de près.
Watch closely. Watch closely. Watch closely.
Je vais bien.
I am well. I am well. I am well.
Bon vol.
Have a good flight. Have a good flight. Have a good flight.
Je veux voyager à Paris.
I want to travel to Paris. I want to travel to Paris. I want to travel to Paris.
Voulez-vous rester à la maison demain?
Will you stay at home tomorrow? Will you stay at home tomorrow? Will you stay at home tomorrow?
La boulangerie est à 4 kilomètres.
The bakery is 4 kilometers away. The bakery is 4 kilometers away. The bakery is 4 kilometers away.
Voici le cheval de Cynthia.
This is Cynthia's horse. This is Cynthia's horse. This is Cynthia's horse.
Je n'aime pas cette nourriture.
I don't like this food. I don't like this food. I don't like this food.
J'ai appelé à l'aide.
I called for help. I called for help. I called for help.
Je serai occupé demain.
I'll be busy tomorrow. I'll be busy tomorrow. I'll be busy tomorrow.
Ma famille est importante pour moi.
My family is important to me. My family is important to me. My family is important to me.
Nous y serons dans environ 30 minutes.
We will be there in about 30 minutes. We will be there in about 30 minutes. We will be there in about 30 minutes.
Je voudrais un café.
I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee.
Sois prudent.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Moi aussi.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
J'arrive.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Quel jour est-il aujourd'hui?
What day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today?
Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi.
Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
Enchanté de vous rencontrer.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Je viens de Berlin.
I'm from Berlin. I'm from Berlin. I'm from Berlin.
On peut y aller à pied?
Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance?
Ce n'est pas loin.
It's not far from here. It's not far from here. It's not far from here.
Pourriez-vous le répéter?
Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that?
Pourriez-vous parler un peu plus lentement?
Could you speak a little bit slower? Could you speak a little bit slower? Could you speak a little bit slower?
Pourriez-vous parler un peu plus vite?
Could you speak a little faster? Could you speak a little faster? Could you speak a little faster?
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ne vous en faites pas.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean?
Que se passe-t-il?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Je peux laisser un message?
Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message?
Il y a un cybercafé près d'ici?
Is there an internet cafe nearby? Is there an internet cafe nearby? Is there an internet cafe nearby?
Je voudrais parler au directeur.
I'd like to speak to the manager. I'd like to speak to the manager. I'd like to speak to the manager.
Excusez-moi, laissez-moi voir.
Excuse me, let me see. Excuse me, let me see. Excuse me, let me see.
Au fait.
By the way. By the way. By the way.
Bonjour Bernard. Êtes-vous occupé en ce moment?
Hello, Bernard. Are you busy at the moment? Hello, Bernard. Are you busy at the moment? Hello, Bernard. Are you busy at the moment?
Combien de personnes y a-t-il dans votre famille?
How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family?
Je peux regarder?
Can I have a look? Can I have a look? Can I have a look?
S'il vous plaît, je ne peux pas vous entendre.
Please, I can't hear you. Please, I can't hear you. Please, I can't hear you.
Pourriez-vous l'écrire ici?
Could you write it down here? Could you write it down here? Could you write it down here?
Où est l'ambassade du Canada?
Where is the Canadian Embassy? Where is the Canadian Embassy? Where is the Canadian Embassy?